Oh,
again.
that was exhausting.
That was exhausting.
We hiked the entire Pacific Crest Trail and the Appalachian Trail, and he painted, and I wrote, and we created books about it. So go to our website and get your copy.
Yeah, and watch the YouTube channel.
Good morning, everybody. It's 6 o'clock. I think we're on 24 days of camping, 24 days of van life in it. And today we got a market in Klamath Falls, so it's 6 a.m. Pack it up. It was a little bit chilly last night. Beautiful camp spot. Gonna get some coffee and get out of here.
Then we'll close this door. One of us will pull this rope from this nice and tight, and then whenever we want to open it, we can untie it from the front and still open it. This will close like this, basically as much as it can close. And then I have this. I can tie this off to any part up here.
Nice.
Pretty dang early this morning, isn't it?
You know what this means?
What's that?
We finally made it in time for McDonald's breakfast.
And get me a, what they got over there?
A biscuit.
Biscuit sandwich?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a biscuit.
Except for we're not on trail. So.
Not allowed to have biscuit sandwiches, huh, Tits?
Probably not.
No. We can get some and then give it to somebody else who deserves it.
So yesterday our van, the door, it's not shutting. The back door, it's not closing. So the lock is busted, or the hatch is busted. The lever, whatever it is, it's busted. So that's fun. But we just gotta get to maybe a Chevy mechanic, Chevy dealership. This is one of the reasons we went with a Chevy. It's just because it is easy to work on, and they are very common and popular. So I don't think we will have necessarily like a horrible time trying to figure it out, but it is pretty inconvenient. It's all right though. We got a hatchet strap and we got bird call. He's pretty good with those types of things.
I'll tie it off over here. All right.
marching to, with your pipe upon your shoulder, by the rising of the moon, by the rising of the moon, by the rising of the moon, with your pipe upon your shoulder, by the rising of the moon. Out of many a mud-walled cabin, lights were watching through the night. Many a manly heart was throbbing for the best morning light. Others ran along the valley like a banshee's lonely bird, and 1,000 pipes were flashing by the rising of the moon. By the rising of the moon, by the rising of the moon, and 1,000 pipes were flashing by the moon.
We're traveling down the Pacific Crest Trail. What's that? Chevy Express.
Just as Robert, he's only here today.
I was trying to make more room and I stacked way too many stuff, way too many high, and everything was collapsing over and it's just a mess. So now that a lot of the market gear is out, or all the market gear, I'm reorganizing the van, and eat my burrito, and then gonna go from there. So excited. This trip is really working out, you know? Yeah, I know it doesn't look like much, but check out my organization. It's probably pretty hard to tell because we didn't show you beforehand, but it was a mess. Also, still here is a mess. This consists of our dirty laundry and this box of Trail Magic that we need easily accessible. And we already downed 3 boxes. That is so exciting. Look. Sit, you wave to it.
Just finished the Klamath Falls Market. It was awesome.
You crushed it.
It totally was awesome. Hey, thank you so much, Klamath Falls. You guys showed a lot of love.
Absolutely.
Susie hung out with her family, with her sister, brother, and nephew, nieces. Well, my sister, brother too. You know, I'm married in, right?
Yeah, you are.
And now we're heading down to Mount Shasta for our next stop.
And we're exploring Moore Park right now. This is where we're running and walking right now.
What's it called?
Moore
Park.
Yeah, M-O-O-R-E.
I thought you were saying we're exploring Moore Park, like as in more
Like
park
as if
than
I
before.
misspoke.
As in yesterday was less park and now it's more park we're
Well,
exploring.
my words do get jumbled sometimes.
You had to clarify.
Moore Park.
Hey, I'm down to do more park with you, baby. And then let's see, we're probably gonna camp out tonight. And we only have to drive to Mount Shasta. How much further? How far is it to Mount Shasta?
An hour and a half.
An hour and a half. And that'll be tomorrow. And we'll be able to do some awesome trail magic in Mount Shasta,
Yeah.
hopefully. Yeah.
I think the bubble's coming.
So we're trying to unload the van at Susie's dad's place and use the van for trail magic. Try to be able to give people rides and stuff. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Who knows? We really don't know what we're doing when we get there. We might hang out for a while. We might not. We got to get some recipes for the cookbook, which if you
Yes.
guys don't know, we're trying to create an illustrated cookbook full of recipes from all of our friends and family.
Did you know they had pelicans in Oregon?
No clue. I had no idea.
I had no. Y'all, they got pelicans here. What say you?
I said let's go get a burger.
Oh, we're in California. We made it back to California.
Yeah.
Can't wait to get out of here.
Yeah, I think this table. I remember this chocolate chip recipe. I remember that was one of Mom's favorite.
Ooh, look at, might have came in an envelope advertising. She got a lot of advertising.
I remember this one was the one that is 2 sticks of butter. That's why they were so good.
Yeah, a little more butter.
Well, y'all, I'm here at my old house.
Mechanics helper.
I'm going through some
Lots
cookbooks.
of tools around.
Okay.
The very first job I had, the first day, it's in La Puente, it's 100 degrees. It's 120 in the building.
Yeah.
And the guy goes, I want you to cut that pipe up there, and we're going to take this part out. And so the pipe was the sweet pickled juice that you put in the jar with a sweet pickle, you know, you put it on your hot dog, the sweet pickle.
Yeah.
So I'm cutting this thing, and I got way up the ladder, and it's going down.
Oh, no.
All the way down into my jeans and my pants. And
Oh, no.
So my first day on the job, the first hour, I'm soaked in pickle juice.
That's great.
Good 10 hours.
No inspection at this time. Luckily, we brought the goods.
So, my mom,
We're gonna paint the town in California.
she's doing the cooking, and she just, so many fond memories of just all that stuff. But my plan was for here is to come and just get some of her recipes. And one of the sweetest things I'm finding is like just random markers in the book. This receipt that marks this recipe is from 2012. And this is marked for a meatless chili recipe. And my mom would put notes about like little changes that she would make to the recipes and stuff. And there is so many things. She used to can. My dad used to hunt. So there's like venison recipes and all these different things. So I'm just so excited to like go through some of these. And there's just like this. Just notes. Just notes. And these zucchini cook for 6 to 8 hours. Just incredible. Just amazing. Just like a lot of feels, people. A lot of feels.
Many a manly heart was throbbing for the coming morning light. The years ran along the valley like a banshee's lonely grin.